calling BI Esther Restaurant. Good morning. This is Angel Salvame. How may I help you today?
I would like to make a reservation in your restaurant, please.
It's nice to hear that. May I know the name and the contact information of the guest, please? And for how many covers?
By the way, this is Claire Gayo, calling from DPWH of Batu Leyte. My contact number is 053-3342 or 09055-965858. And I am reserving for a cover of 2.
Thank you for that information, ma'am. By the way, which would you prepare? Smoking or non-smoking area?
A non-smoking area, please.
Noted, ma'am. When is the date and time of your reservation?
Tomorrow at lunchtime.
Okay, ma'am. Do you have any special request of your reservation, or would you like to take orders in advance so we can prepare your foods prior to your arrival?
No special request, and I am not so familiar with your menu, so I will have my order when we get there.
Okay, ma'am. Just for a confirmation, your name is Claire Gayo, calling from DPWH office of Batu Leyte with telephone number 053-3342 or 09055-965858, and you're reserving for a cover of 2 tomorrow at lunchtime with no special request. Did I get it right, ma'am?
Yes, you get it right.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for calling BI Esther Restaurant. You made the right choice. See you tomorrow on your reservation day, and have a great day ahead. Goodbye. Mabuhay! Welcome to BI Esther Restaurant. Do you hold any reservation?
Yes, I called yesterday for my table reservation for 2, a non-smoking area.
Please follow me. Have a seat, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Allow me to check a minute for your reservation on the reservation book.
Okay, go ahead.
Excuse me, ma'am. Thank you for waiting. Your table reservation number 2, a non-smoking area, was neatly prepared prior to your arrival. This way, please. Is this table okay for you, ma'am?
Yes, the location is good and awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. It's our pleasure. Have a seat, please.
Thank you very much.
Excuse me, ma'am. Would you mind me to assist you in putting the table napkin into your lap?
Yes, please. Thank you.
You're welcome. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your water. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I present to you our menu for your food and beverage selection? I will take your order whenever you're ready.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you mind to have some refreshing drinks, ma'am, before your meal?
What can you suggest?
Ma'am, try our refreshing and stimulating drinks on the house, the cucumber lemon ginger.
Okay, I'll try that one.
Okay, ma'am. Your refreshing drinks will be served in a moment. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your cucumber lemon ginger coolers.
Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. Excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am. If you're ready, may I now take your order?
I'd like to have something like,
May I suggest a grilled pompano fish, surely nutritious, yet low calories and cholesterol.
just give me one serving, please.
Anything else, Mom?
Just give me a cup of rice.
Mom, your order grilled pompano fish already goes with the rice. How about starting your meal with a light appetizer like shrimp cocktail? May I suggest a hot steaming soup for starter? Would you go for minestrone soup, consomme, or a cream for mushroom soup?
A minestrone soup, please.
Well taken, ma'am. May I suggest a vegetable salad that goes perfectly well with your grilled pompano fish? Shall I serve you Caesar salad, toast grilled green salad, or a mixed vegetable salad?
Caesar salad, please.
May I suggest a good beverage that perfectly complements your grilled pompano fish? Would you like to have a glass of Chardonnay white wine?
Yes, please.
How about dessert, ma'am? We have moist chocolate cake, tartufo ice cream, and blueberry cheesecake.
No thanks.
Anything else, ma'am? May I repeat your order, ma'am? You'll have one serving of minestrone soup, Caesar salad, grilled pompano fish, and a glass of Chardonnay white wine. Did I get your order right, ma'am?
Yes, exactly.
Your order will be served within 20 minutes. Is that okay with you, ma'am?
It's okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your order. The minestrone soup. Enjoy your meal, ma'am.
Thank you.
Excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done? May I get now the served plate, please?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your Caesar salad.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done? May I get now the served dish?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your grilled pompano fish.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with your meal? May I get that sold dish now?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. By the way, ma'am, how's the food? Did you enjoy your meal, ma'am?
Yes, I love the food you serve, and I enjoy it.
May I clear the table, ma'am?
Yeah, sure.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your bill. Which would you prefer? Cash, room charge accommodation, or credit card?
Cash.
Ma'am, I'll receive 2,000 pesos and your bill was 1,500 pesos. I'll be back for your change, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your change.
Thank you.
By the way, ma'am, we have Eat All You Can in a mini concert tonight with a guest performer on stage, Miss Sarah Geronimo, for only 900 pesos per head. May I invite you and your family to enjoy the night with us?
Please reserve 4 seats for me.
Certainly, ma'am. We'll make sure that your night with us will be unforgettable, and it's our pleasure to serve you and your family. Thank you. Thank you for dining us with ma'am. We're looking forward for your next visit.
Thank you.